how did they overtake us? So now, this is a book, International Jew. By whom? By Henry Ford. Who is Henry Ford? An American. A great American industrialist. Ford cars. The Ford car. The founder of the Ford car. He wrote a book, The International Jew. In this voluminous book, he discusses all the different policies of the Jews, which secretly they call as World Program, known as 24 Jewish Protocols. What are the protocols? Time doesn't permit me to go in all the detail of the 24 protocols. In this he says, the top class Jews made a mission. Introduce an education system in the world so that entire world is considered educated or ignorant based on that qualification. If you are qualified from your colleges, you are educated in the world today. If you aren't, you are ignorant. In that education system, make sure everything that they study should program them to believe that anything good in the world, anything progressive in the world, anything best for mankind, only we can do it. Make sure that the youth of every community, they are dynamic. If there is any threat to us from any person, the age group of the threat is teenage and a little after that till 35 years. Introduce, Allahu Akbar, introduce so many branches of education that till about 25 to 30 years, he should only scratch his head. This course I want to do. That course I want to do. This I want to study. That I want to study. If he doesn't study to a level, call him an ignorant. Push him into an inferiority complex. From about 30 years, let him search for a job. Give them good jobs. Pay them 50,000. Pay them 100,000. But remember, make the prices of the necessities of life rise up. Pay them 50,000 as the salary. Make the price of the onion 1,000 a kg. What? 1,000 rupees kg for the onion? Yes. From 5 rupees to 1,000. Why? If you give him so much money, he will live in luxury and start thinking about us. Make sure that these youth should be forced for 5 to 6 days in so much workload that their weekend they should entertain themselves with alcohol and women. Make alcohol and women open. Why? Why? What are the people doing in the world today? We found out of 7 days, 3 hours they are sitting in a movie, 3 hours in a theater. After coming out from the theater, the whole week they are talking about the dialogue of the hero, the character hero. Oh, really? Are they influenced by the movies? Yes. Grab that opportunity. Make movies wherein in the movies you will show anybody adhering to religion in a family is an old man. Anybody worshipping any religion, generally in the movies and in the serials, only Dadima, Nanima is worshipping. Youngsters, pubs, clubs, girlfriends, parks. Marriage, dialogues. Marriage, it's a laddu. If you eat, you are in trouble. If you don't eat, you are in trouble. Promoted. No. This is not a joke. This is kufr against Quran and Sunnah. They put in your minds through humor. You thought it's a joke. In the course of repeating that joke, you are programmed, don't marry fast. Sodomism, man dressing like a woman, woman dressing like a man. No religion agrees. Man marrying a man, woman marrying a woman, according to the Bible, is a serious crime. The same in Islam. How do we introduce that concept? They're coming for movies. A character who is a joker in the movie, he suddenly dresses like a woman and he laughs. All the audience, ha ha ha! A woman, she dresses like a man. She fires. Da 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 da. Ha ha ha! No, that's not humor, man. You are being programmed against your Quran and Hadith. They are making you do kufr. They know if they speak seriously, you will never accept it. It's a joke. In the movie, they showed a character, cartoon character.